You just stole my focus.
Here is
There. Oh, it's back on me.
of this. You want? Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Nick.
And I'm Justin. No. All right, let's try this again.
Hey everyone. Oh, from the beginning?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Nick.
And I am Justin.
And today's video is actually in partnership with Gillette.
Yes, which is, I feel like, a good partnership because you have a beard that has transformed over our time on social media.
Lord,
for sure.
yes.
It's been super full. It's been super short. It's just been about everything in between. So, and people, like, the whole time we've been doing social media have always been like, Nick, what's your secret?
Yeah, one of the biggest questions that I always get, or both of us get in general, is, Nick, what do you do with your beard? How do you maintain your beard? And they're talking about skin and beard. And even when I started my own like beauty channel and stuff like that, everybody wants to know about your beard. Nick, what do you do with your beard?
It seriously has been nonstop for, how long are we doing this now? Like
4 years.
4 years.
And I was not expecting it to be as much of a big deal.
It's a good beard.
If you want to hear some of my little beard secrets,
I think I've tried to grow a beard once and it came in like super patchy. I mean, I still have stubble and I still have to like shave under my neck and stuff like that.
Cute.
But this is really gonna be Nick's video, I feel like, because I mean, you're the one with the beard. You're the like, you're known for the beard. Literally, when people ask like, which one's Justin, which one's Nick? I'm like, Nick is the one with the beard.
Yeah, Justin has one. It's cute for what he's got going on, but it's like shave. I mean, it's not this. This is the one thing I'm most proud of, so this is what I take.
That's the one thing.
So in general, this is going to be a little bit more about beard maintenance. In regards to my sensitive skin, it's not going to be too much about skincare. So my skin has a lot of issues when you, like, if I have a mask on at the hospital all day long, it can just get red and get irritated. I can break out easily. But the biggest issue I have underneath here specifically, more than just right here, is razor bumps. And I feel like a lot of people, I feel like this is a very common place to get them, is underneath the neck, maybe because you're just doing this all day and the hairs can get ingrown. But I have very sensitive skin and get razor bumps underneath here. And normally people don't see them a lot because I pose like this. Strategic posing. So you don't see me a lot doing this. I have to very much take care of this underneath here because I can grow hair all the way down here and I shave it from here to here.
I'm the same way. Like, if something's wrong with my skin, like, I feel like there's like a spotlight on me almost.
Yeah.
That's like, I don't know, you just can feel like a little less confidence, I guess, when you're out in public, if you feel like you know that you have like irritated skin and things like that. So
if I get any razor bumps or anything under here, I just am very self-conscious about and how I tilt my head and stuff like that. So I know that sounds weird. I know that we shouldn't care about this kind of things, but we're human, we do. So
here we are.
Here we are.
Then it's interesting too, because like I've been with Nick for almost 5 years now. Mm-hmm. And I've seen him try so many different products because there was nothing that was like working for you. Like, no. I like, whether it be skincare or like the razor bumps under here, your skin is just so sensitive that you were just like ready to throw in the towel.
At one point, I think there was a good chunk of many months where I just let my beard grow, which, I mean, I love a good beard, don't get me wrong, but I just like, I didn't bother doing much to it. I just let it grow out and I was like, I don't even want to shave. I don't want to even deal with it because I'm going to get the bumps and I just don't even care. But I mean, I think I have a good looking beard, but when it got to the point, there was a point where it got way too long, and you all on YouTube very much let me know. But it wasn't like a pretty long. It was like a long.
It was a choice.
Yeah, I think this is a good length. Like we said before, this video is sponsored by Gillette, and the product that they wanted us to share with you all that I've been using for the past couple weeks is their new SkinGuard razor, and this is for sensitive skin specifically, but we don't use razors in the bed, so I think we should probably take this to the bathroom.
Yeah, it's probably a good choice.
I'll show you a little bit of how it works, and we'll talk a little bit more about it in the bathroom, so come with us where the magic happens.
There's no magic that happens in the bathroom.
There's magic.
Maybe Nick's makeup, but there's no magic beyond that.
There's magic. To our bathroom.
The bathroom, y'all.
I'm gonna come a little bit closer to show you guys where I usually shave, right here. So, I normally shave, oh, I have a little bit of Theo hair in my beard. So I normally shave right in here. So I've always been told if you're gonna bring your beard down onto your neck, that you should find your Adam's apple and you should go 2 finger breadths above that, and that's where you should shave your beard. I know some people like to shave it right here at the jawline, and there's nothing wrong with that. I think it actually creates a nice illusion of a stronger jawline if you want to do that. My preference is just to have it come down lower on the neck and then just shave right under here. I had to like teach myself how to shave because I didn't have somebody growing up teaching me how. But if you are somebody who's very new to shaving and you just let your beard grow and you just find you need a little bit of advice, I don't know if there's a beginner watching it or what, but make sure you trim down your beard first with some kind of trimmer to get it to a point where I would not even shave with a razor of this length if I was taking this all off. Try to trim it down as far as you can before shaving. So don't forget to do that first of all. This is already pretty short, but I'm gonna shave this right here right now. And I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the razor first to show you why this is so helpful for sensitive skin. So this is their new Gillette SkinGuard razor for sensitive skin up close. So I kind of just want to point some things out that make this good for sensitive skin. This blue bar right in the middle is their SkinGuard. So that is what will press against the skin so the blades aren't digging into the skin. It will just make it so that when you're putting down pressure with your hand, the majority of the pressure will be with the blue in the middle, and that is what's going to literally guard your skin. That's why they call it SkinGuard. From the razors digging down and causing the irritation onto your skin. There's also moisture strips up above and below the actual razors, so you're getting moisture added to your skin before and after the razors slide past them. But one more thing. So this is where the normal blades are to do the trimming, but there's also a precision trimmer on the top for detailed work, and I usually use that on my cheeks because I do have a little bit of hair and I keep a nice sharp line, and I do shave just a little bit of my cheeks that I'll show you guys in a second. Literally when I do my neck and I just coat it with any kind of sensitive shaving cream or shaving gel or shaving balm, or even if you want, I'm not as afraid to put as much pressure with this like I used to be with other razors because of that SkinGuard. So I would like gently go down my neck, and I wouldn't even get that close of a shave because I'd be too afraid to put too much pressure and irritate it. But now it's just like I don't even have to do that many swipes, and I can push pretty hard, and I don't even have to worry about cutting myself or irritating my skin as much. Is that some ASMR? Oh yeah, that was nice. I go down, but then afterwards I go up against the grain. Boom. But I'm probably more anxious than other people, but I'm sure there's some people out there who are similar to that are in a way that you're afraid to buy products because you're afraid it's going to hurt your skin. I'm also going to use the back of this right now. But I do try to gear towards products that specifically say they're for sensitive skin. And so I will admit I'm pretty guilty sometimes at not really doing my research and going to stores and really looking at stuff. Sometimes I just get lazy and I don't shave, or I just grab something. But it is worthwhile just to take care of yourself and to find something that works well for your skin. So if you do have sensitive skin like I do, and you are somebody who shaves and gets razor bumps, especially under the neck is my biggest issue, I definitely think this could be something for you. But obviously, our goal is to never pressure anybody. I'm getting that sharp line with this precision side. Sorry, my hand's in front of my face. I'm using the precision edge to keep that sharp line because I like to have a nice good whoosh down the cheek. Because I have hair that grows up to here, so I kind of get that out of the way and I have a nice whoosh down the line. What do you think?
Looks good.
You like it? Have a kiss?
Yeah, here I am.
I should probably wait till I get this with my face.
Probably.
And also, I definitely recommend warming up your face and or neck before you shave. Either if you do it in the shower. I like to shave a lot in the shower, but just for these video purposes, I'm doing it in front of you all. But if I don't, I always try to get like a warm washcloth and really just like heat up the skin and heat up the hairs and kind of get everything soft as well before I start. That'll help too as well. Ooh, look at that.
Work.
I never like being this close to the camera because you can see all my pores and all my flaws. But for the most part, I've been getting a hold on my skin and things have been pretty good. But as you can see, this is where I usually shave right here and stuff. And I have very thick, coarse hair. Most of my issues are the razor bumps underneath, but here I also am trying to be very careful just because this is the bulk of what people see versus under here. But I still like to take care of this under here because, I mean, I don't want to be like this and self-conscious all day, but.
So I know I've seen a lot of difference in like Nick's skin, like especially under here. And two, it's just like Nick showed, like that technology, like just, it doesn't tug your skin, it doesn't pull on the hairs and cause all this irritation. So I think I can see like under his neck, it just like, he looks like a brand new man under there.
Alright, so we're back in the bedroom, and for the longest time on social media, on all of our platforms, we've got a lot of different questions about many things. I mean, not just like grooming, but like relationship stuff, but these grooming videos, if you like this kind of stuff, we were nervous to do it before, but we thought that we should address some of the real questions that people ask us. So if you like this kind of stuff, please let us know. If you have any specific questions or want to know more about the Gillette products that we use, we do have a link in the description box that you can go check out their website. Specifically, we talked about this sensitive SkinGuard razor today. We thought it would be helpful for some people that specifically asked me about my sensitive skin and my grooming.
Razor bumps and everything that goes along with having the sensitive skin. So.
Yeah, that too. If you want to know more about my skincare, I do have my own YouTube channel that I do a lot of makeup and beauty stuff on, and I will link that video up here somewhere for you to go click on. But maybe in the future we'll do something with Justin's skincare, because Justin has amazing skin and we have very different skin types. So if you like these kind of videos, definitely give this a thumbs up. That'll help let us know. Leave a comment down below to let us know what other things you would like to hear about and see. Do you have anything to say?
It does talk a lot. No, I think, you know, it's always like, what?
Does that feel nice?
It's really hard to even like process a thought when something like that's happening. Did I have something to say? Maybe. Do I remember what I was going to say? No. So we just want to thank Gillette again. We tend to be very selective about the companies and the brands that we actually work with, only because, you know, we want to believe and use the products ourselves. So when they sent us the products, like Nick's been using it for a while. Oh, Theo's here. Hello, buddy.
Theo has not been using the products, as you can tell. He's a big furball.
But, so we are selective, and, you know, Nick's been using it for a couple weeks now, and he's just fallen in love with it. You know, Nick's always been very concerned about his skin and how sensitive it is. So I think when we find something that works, like, we love being able to share that with you all as well. So yeah, it's like a win-win for us.
And they do send us the product in advance so that we can use them and actually see if it works and not just be like, oh, we'll just say it works. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are having another vacation vlog coming up soon. We are going to be going to Thailand on a workout retreat.
Ooh.
So maybe I think it'll be relaxing still. We try to work out so we're on vacation because it keeps me sane and keeps my anxiety down. So stay tuned for that vlog, and we hope to see you guys in the next video. Sorry that it is a little inconsistent, but we are doing our best and we are having an amazing time in our separate little adventures. We got a lot of little cool trips within the US. We haven't done that in a while. We've been doing a lot of stuff overseas, but I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you see us, say hello. Please stop and chat with us. We love hearing everybody's stories, and just even if it's only like a couple minutes to say hello on the street, we love it. Yeah, and down in the comments too, let us know about your own journeys with sensitive skin or the products that you like. You know, we highly recommend the Gillette SkinGuard, and we would love to hear about like you guys' experience with how do you get your skin to look good. Nick, maybe get some tips. Yeah, I like having conversations in the comments. So please do. So, all right, guys. Until the next one. Okay, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. You can stay, but you have to lay down. You can stay, but you gotta lay down. There it goes.